welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. The sun is shining. So I'm currently on my way to pick Chloe up because she missed her bus. We have got Ollie's show this morning at 11:30, so it is 10 to 11 now. I'm just here to pick her up. I'm then meeting my friend Zoe for a catch up at a Costa. And I've then got to go home. We're going to have a little haul. I ordered a couple of bits from Shein. I've got some oversized tees and whatnot. So I'm going to show you that. This little vlog's going to be a little bit exciting, I think. So yeah, we're just going to see where it takes us. I'm all faced. I feel like I'm some sort of air getting in. Probably not the weather for the SLA like fleeced jacket, but needs must. I just thought, you know, an intro for the vlog. I'm going to be trialling something that I'm not trialling it, using something that I saw, and I'm hoping that it's going to get delivered today because I'm very intrigued, to say the least, and if it works, more people need to know about it. And depending on what my results are, I might try out on my mum, because that'll be very, very interesting. So yeah, hoping that comes today. You won't see it in this vlog because obviously I have to use it for like a minimum. I have to give like a minimum of like 72 hours. But from what I've seen, the results are very good. So I'm like, how do more people not know about this? I'm so confused. So yes, I'm gonna be brave. So Chloe lives in the middle of nowhere. She actually lives close to my friend Hannah's parents. Obviously Hannah lives in London. But you can drive down a country lane, and I never drive down the country lane. I'm a main road motorway kind of gal, or an A road. Country lanes are just, they're not for me. Even though I've grown up, where I live is interesting because it's a city, and I would say I'm a city chick, and then I've got lots of friends that are country girls. Like my friend Gemma, like there's lots of little villages. The high school that I went to, all the village kids went to, so when I went there and I met all these kids, I was like, you're from where? I'd never heard of these places, and they're not far from me, but because you've got to go down all these country lanes, and my mum doesn't drive, my dad drove, but we just stuck to the city, you know, all the motorway to go see my family, like Nottingham and Birmingham and stuff. When I then started driving and I was going down the country lanes, I was like, oh hell no, this is not for me. Like, I'm turning a corner now, I can't see what is around this corner. It could be a tractor, it's not, it's clear, but you know, I'm not down. And then like, but my friend Gemma, Shannon, that I worked with at my old practice, they will just fly down these country lanes doing 60 miles per hour, and I'm just like, no. It's a no from me. I like to keep it slow and steady. They're just, because two cars can't fit. So one of you has got to like pull over to the side to let the other car through, and I'm just, like, you see how I'm breaking my neck? Oh. Yeah, look at her in a boke. I want it so bad. Yeah. I feel like I'm nearly at the end of it though. I actually cannot cope with this heat, but I can't have my windows down because I feel like it's going to mess with the audio. But Ollie did so well in the show. Oh, his little solo, can you believe? it was such a cute little shot, and they had some really funny bits in it as well. So yes, I'm now off to meet my friend Zoe. I'm feeling like some sort of cold drink because there's no way I'm getting a hot chocolate in this. I sold some glasses on Vinted, so I need to take those to the in-post locker. Although I could just do that on the way to my mum's actually. Although I can see if there's an in-post locker near where I'm going now. I'm literally just thinking out loud right now. And then we will go home and prep for tonight because we've got a family party. I hate like having to do stuff indoors when the weather is like this, but I've not been home since Thursday because obviously I stayed at Max's Thursday because it was our anniversary, and then Friday because I always stay on Fridays. So there's this like my house jobs that are behind. I can't not do them because Chloe's staying tonight, so. And then I need to take my laundry to, oh gosh, it's just piling up. Oh yeah. Bloody boiling. Okay, so I'm home. So that would just show you what I got from shein. So I picked up a plain black belt. Simply because I just thought it'd be good to wear with my jeans and stuff. Super simple plain black belt. Picked up this t-shirt. Feels nice. And it's a nice size. It's got butterflies on it. So this will look nice with some black leggings for the gym, tucked into my crop top, or with some cycle shorts in summer. This feels nice and slinky. So this is just, it looks like plain black, but on at the back it's got this design. Really nice material, that. Really nice. I picked up this top that I thought would be nice with some jeans or something for a night out. Ooh, that's interesting. Kind of sticks together like a pleather. Oh, let's try this one on. It's just like a crop top. We'll have to see how this looks on. What size do I get that in? I've got it in the medium. We will have to see. We've got this t-shirt. Oh, this is just more of like a cotton material, this one. A nice green. Can you sense the vibe? And I got a grey. Cute. And then again, this is more just like a normal t-shirt material. I picked these up for my PT because she was like, if you do an order, will you get me these? So I won't open those I heard. And she had these ones on, so I got these myself. They're the same colour as what hers were. Oh, this is the famous leggings that everyone gets. So pick those up. I feel like hers look a bit more purple than those. I've got this set. I don't know what I'm not from. Oh yeah, I do. That's what it says. So my mum's blazer that I've got, I just ordered these little crops that are just perfect nudes, plains to wear with jeans. That I can wear with that blazer basically. Brown and black. It's just nice to have options on activewear. I couldn't resist this one. I might wear this tomorrow to bingo. 90s baby. Because I am a 90s baby. And last but not least, I got some jeans. They're really nice blue. And they look like this. And they're like a little bit wide leg. Hopefully they fit and I can wear these tomorrow. They look like they're going to fit. So yeah, there's my little haul. So now I'm gonna put away my clothes, put my laundry bag together and see if my hair extensions still match. Gatsby? What Gatsby? Mum? Gatsby? What Gatsby? I know. He was like, watch that lady. I was too busy vlogging. Tee-hee! So it is Sunday evening and I've really not achieved a whole lot today. I'm just heading to my mum's now to pick up my uniform for work tomorrow. It is 10 to 9. I'm back to severely hungover, so we had to change the plans for next week. His friend was hungover as well, so yeah, that didn't happen, so not really in the vlog. I haven't got any PT sessions scheduled for this week, but what I'm actually going to do is start going to the gym in the morning again. I'm hoping that the thing that I wanted to arrive is going to arrive tomorrow, so I won't get to do it until Tuesday evening, I don't think, which is fine. So yeah, I've not really done a whole lot. Me and Chloe just chilled this morning. I watched the Kardashians, and then I've been at Max's watching Stranger Things because I know the new season's coming out, so I have to play catch up. And now I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna switch up my nails. I saw this picture on, was it Instagram or maybe Pinterest, of these really short nude nails, and I was like, I'm gonna do that. There's these two guys on what look to be like electrical scooters, literally driving dangerously, and I'm just about that, literally like this in the road. Why? Okay, now he's doing a wheelie, just as long as you stay in the lane. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, do my nails. I'm actually gonna plan my week, which I've not done in God knows how long. I've got Max's birthday dinner lunch tomorrow, so what we're gonna try and do this week is just calorie count and go to the gym and see how we get on. I still need to try that new Naked Harvest protein. the cookies and cream, and then I've got 2 new flavours of oxyshred. I'll show you those when I get home. Actually, they got delivered yesterday, so we'll do the taste test for the first one of them in the morning on the way to the gym. I'm gonna have to try it on its own because the flavour that it is not gonna mix with my herbal tonic. So I have to drink my herbal tonic solo. Oh no, actually, I will try the other flavour with my herbal tonic when I'm at work, because I actually got a non-stim one for when I go to the gym in the evening, just because I like not that I need a pre-workout, but I just feel like it'll be good to be able to go in the evening and still get the same benefits of like the fat burning and stuff from the oxyshred, but obviously without the caffeine because it will keep me awake. So yes, I will show you those when we get home to show you the flavours that I got. So here they are. We've got Cali Cola in the hardcore and strawberry in the non-stim. So we'll give these a taste test tomorrow. Good evening. We're really dragging these videos out lately. I've still not edited and uploaded my other one. My face is a little bit flushed. I've just had my 3rd glycolic chemical treatment thing that I've been having. This is how I'm going to Max's birthday meal because it needs must. Like I wasn't missing out on having my treatment. So it's going to be the quickest switch around ever. So I'm just getting to his now, so I need to quickly put on my outfit and head off. I've not even had time to wrap his presents or anything. Oh, god damn it. Good morning. So it is 7:30 in the morning and I'm just heading to the gym. My water bottle is like jiggling out here everywhere. I've just filled it up. Oh, my gear stick. That's heavy. The sun is beaming. I cannot keep up with this weather. It's literally up and down. We've got our extra shred, our oxyshred Cali Cola to try. So let's give this a go. We're gonna go do legs this morning. I do have PT tomorrow night, but oh, that is lovely. Yep. If you're like me and you like flat coke, it don't sound any more northern if I tried, but I love a flat coke. Oh my god, that is so naughty. I love it. The worst part is I'm gonna want to drink this just as a drink, and that's not okay. Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh, love it. Yep. Thank you. Good purchase. We're done. I can report I had 2 scoops of that this morning and it didn't give me like any extra anxiety. There's Be Lean. I can only have 1 scoop of that stuff because if I have 2, like my anxiety's got anxiety. It's not a good time. But I've done okay with that. So yeah, session done. I was to head to my mum's to pick up my delivery and then I'm going to be trialing out that thing I was mentioning. So yeah, I'm going to end this here just because I don't know if it's going to be long or not, but I've got like 2 videos now that I need to get together and get up. So today's just a day at the salon. I'm trying to think, I can't remember who. I think I can remember our last client, but I'm like, who's in before? I'm trying to work out, like, if I take all my meals with me, if I'd be able to come and get an evening session in. Like, this person is literally blocked, like, my exit. Why would you do that? But yes. What are we on now? I think this is the 3rd 3 to 30 video. We've not done too bad. Yesterday I ate well. I had Max's birthday meal, but I didn't even get a dessert, which is blast for me to go out for dinner and not get dessert. But I didn't need it. I was full. Don't think I drank a lot of water yesterday though, but that's fine. I will make up for that today. And I was only a couple hundred under 10,000 steps as well, so again, I'll make up for that today. So yes.